here today, and thank you for joining me. So today, it's something a little special. Today I'm going to show you how to do basic male model makeup that is easy, simple, yet elegant, and still embraces your natural beauty. So let's get started. Today's special guest is model Brian, and I'm so glad that he volunteered for this. So first and foremost, we have the basic foundation that you'll be using to give you a smooth and glossy appearance for your skin. You can use a thin foundation, which is what we're using, or you can do a high coverage one depending on how much you want to cover. You can build your foundation up slowly, so I recommend starting with a little and then keep applying to however much coverage you need. The key is to make sure that you spend a lot of time and really look in detail at your face to make sure that all corners are blended, including down to the neck and around the ears too. Another important factor is to make sure that your foundation matches your skin tone, because if it's too light or too dark, you'll definitely be able to see it on the spaces that are exposed, such as your lower neck or even back of the neck as well. So next, I used a rice powder to set the foundation. You can use any powder that you prefer. The rice powder I used is more of a clear color, so it works for a lot of various skin colors. So I went ahead and set Brian's foundation with the powder. Moving on to the eyebrows, I used a colored wax eyebrow kit, and I absolutely love these because they look so natural. I found this one in Japan, maybe only 300 yen, so it's very, very cheap, but it works so beautifully. This eyebrow wax rests on the eyebrows, giving them a fuller, thicker look and more natural compared to your basic eyebrow pencil because it doesn't settle onto the skin. So what I did is I went ahead and I just swept it along his natural eyebrow shape. Next, I used a clear eyebrow gel, or you can use clear mascara to set the eyebrows and make sure that the hair falls in place perfectly. I love clear mascara, and I love the effect it has on beautiful raw eyelashes. So what it's going to do is it's going to give your eyelashes that freshly cried in look, but gorgeous, dewy eyelashes that are completely natural, and you don't have to worry about your mascara running at all. So this is a beautiful way to keep your look natural. To finish the look, I went ahead and used a lip stain that is close to his natural color, but still with a little bit of a pink tone to it. I love using lip stains because they look very natural and not too cakey, and when they fade, you can't even tell. It looks gorgeous the entire time. After using the lip stain, I love to put a clear lip balm or chapstick, as you will, and that just keeps the lips nice and moistened throughout the entire day. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope that you enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. Stay tuned for our next one where we do a more dewy, glowy look. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so that others can find this video, and I will see you in the next makeup tutorial.